Alignment, yeah? Head, left shoulder leaning towards the bull. Start on 45. All right, work hard with that left elbow. So you can see the stump down here, Matthew. See this blue stump? That left shoulder, that left elbow needs to be aligning towards this stump, yeah? So when you're facing the right arm over bowler, you're aligning to the middle stump at the non-striker's end, yeah? If the bowler comes round the wicket, or we face a left arm over, you align to the bowler. Yeah, okay, good. All right, a little bit quicker. All right, keep that balance for me. Right, Matthew, widen your stance for me. You're a bit too narrow. Okay, widen those feet. Good. Keep them in line, though. Keep the toes in line. Ready? Lovely shot. Beautiful shot. Feet a bit wider. Yeah. All right, unlucky. Sliced it a bit. Don't panic. What happened there? Head fell over it. That's all. Don't worry. You're not a machine, Matthew. You're allowed to make mistakes. I can see so much of your right shoulder. Right, good. Well watched. Well watched. Shoulder. Good. Can you see, we can see so much of his right shoulder, you know he's not aligned, yeah?
Yeah, I noticed that.
Lovely shot. Matthew, shoulders stay aligned, but don't let the bat wander behind you. The bat's still got to be on off stump. Keep that left hand close to your belly button. Right, bat more that way. Yes, keep it there, perfect. Good, well watched. Good, keep leaning into it. Shoulders. Don't try and hit it too hard, just stroke it. Right, what happened there? Right, Rich, come down this because this is a real key. You grab a bag of those balls. Come here, right here. Now watch. Okay? Let's slide. When we start, the sideways over the back not stuck. Shoulders around the back's not stuck. Okay? The rule of thumb, Rich, if the ball comes down the left side, it's on the inside of the ball. It's got to go through the other. If the ball comes down the left side, outside. That's when you look at the roots, wider or so that ball is on the middle leg, and you just go the face of the ring. Right? And you drop to the ground. Nice whistle. Outside, forward. Right? Open up and feed that big side, okay? Anything inside, go straight. Anything outside, okay? You can look to go square. So we never get our left foot, Rich, outside of the stump. It goes on, it goes in, should always go in line with leg stump, and then the decision, if it's inside that paddock, it's figured on, outside it can feel to go a bit square. Okay. Right, working hard on that onside. Let's get a few of them. Straight up, Matthew, straight up. Matthew, show me an on drive. Show me an on drive. Good. No, that's a defensive shot. Show me an on drive. Yeah, good. From the crease now. Take your stance. Now show me a normal on drive. Go. Good boy. That's it. That's all I want to see, yeah? Work that balance. That's the perfect Yorker, Matthew. Keep working.
So he's obviously predominantly an offside player. He wants the ball offside. He does,
And
unless it's short, and then he pulls it, yeah.
move that one out of the way.
Let's go down and need to feed him a few.
So, no, yeah, don't worry. Right, I'm going to feed you a few. Right, little bobble feeds. I want to see if you can hit that big panel of my neck. Okay? Beautiful shot. One. And back. Beautiful timing. Now that's a full ball shot. Right slice. In that line to hit that neck. Balance between the Took it. You always take it straight, yeah? Straight. Right, let's go. See if we can replicate that on the machine now, Matthew, yeah?
Take a few balls on
All right, Mace, you all right? Are you on the back pitch today, Mace? All right, okay. Let's go. We've got another bag here, Matthew. Leave those. Don't worry about them. All right, working hard. Feet a bit wider apart. Don't be too narrow because you're quite tall. Chest. Well played. Good. Right, that's the one we got to get forward and hit down the ground, isn't it? That's the little bobble feeds I've just been feeding.
So he just goes right across it, doesn't he? You know, then he has to stop or pop, not leading in.
Yeah. If it's not quite there to drive, I want to see a straighter back. Don't want to see it go through square leg, yeah? Got to hit it straighter. Better, Matthew. Better. Well done. And again, working hard on that leg side. Shoulders. Right, that was outside your pad, wasn't it? That was the one you could hit a little bit squarer because it was outside your left pad. Shoulders. Left elbow. Get your left elbow, left shoulder pointing at this blue stump. Better. Well played. Good. Bowling first, mate. I want to have a look at your action. Good, well watched. Move that one out the way. Good, Matthew. Good, excellent. And again. Shoulders. Don't lean back, lean into it. Smell the ball. Sniff the ball. Couple more. Right, lovely shot, nice timing. Feet wider. Shot, it's a good one. Keep your back leg still. Lovely timing. Won't play straighter than that. Hit the stump this end. Good, lovely timing. There she come. Just got to hit it through mid-on with a high elbow, haven't we? Inside your front pad. Ready? Let's go. Shoulders. See how narrow his feet are. Right, just stop there.
Come down here, Rich. Just do something with his setup.